at the moment, all eyes are on the central banks of the world. As I explained, the easing of monetary policy was a key contributor to address the pandemic. But there's this question of whether monetary policy is going to normalize or even tighten in some countries. In fact, when we look at emerging markets, many emerging markets have already tightened monetary policy. That's particularly so in Latin America and in some Eastern European countries. Concerning the major central banks, the Federal Reserve, the ECB, the Bank of Japan, and the Bank of England, there is a lot of debate about what the monetary policy is going to be going forward. So in the case of the Federal Reserve, of course, inflation is temporarily above target. It's expected to come down to target, but there's a question of how monetary policy is going to evolve in coming months. Is there going to be tapering? Is the path of policy going to shift forward? In the ECB, there's a similar debate about tapering. In the UK, there's a debate about inflation. And it's really only in Japan that there's no worry about inflation, as inflation remains very low and well below target.
I would like to quote you on this theme because in the report and in the blog post, you've written that essentially if inflation is here for longer than what central banks expect, then central bankers should act decisively. So is that a message to the Fed and to the ECB and perhaps also to the Bank of England to reduce stimulus at a faster pace? For the moment, while it is true that inflation has been higher and more persistent than we had expected, we still feel that the stance of monetary policy is appropriate. But all of this is state dependent, so it depends on how inflation is going to evolve.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.